Hello everyone. If you want to know how you can create an account on Roblox, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to create an account on Roblox easily. First off, you're going to open up your web browser. You're going to go on to roblox.com, and here you're going to put in your date of birth, and then you're going to put in your username. You're going to put in your password. Make sure it has more than 8 characters, and then you're going to click on sign up on here. And there you have it. Now you have successfully created an account on Roblox. Now you can go ahead and play any game. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was to create an account on Roblox. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.